This 1957 Chevy Nomad sat in a barn for 43 years collecting dust and rust, while the world moved on without it. When I first laid eyes on it, the paint was so faded you could barely tell what color it used to be. The chrome was pitted and dull. The interior smelled like mildew and regret. But I saw something nobody else did. I saw potential sleeping under all that decay. I started the teardown on a cold Tuesday morning. Every bolt I removed told a story. Some were so rusted I had to cut them off. I labeled every piece, photographed every angle, because when you're bringing something back from the dead, you need a roadmap. The trim came off in sections. Some pieces crumbled in my hands. Others I saved in boxes marked with dates and locations. Front quarter panel, driver's side door, rear bumper assembly. Stripping it to the frame took 3 weeks. What I found underneath was both worse and better than expected. The rust had eaten through entire sections of metal. I cut it all out. No shortcuts. I fabricated new steel panels by hand, shaping them to match the original curves. Every weld had to be perfect, because this car deserved perfection. Then came paint day. Electric lime green metallic. Not factory original, but something that felt right for this particular Nomad. I laid down 6 coats, wet sanding between each one. When the final clear coat cured and I hit it with the buffer, the reflection was so clean I could see my face in the fender. The chrome took another month, polishing until my arms ached. The interior got custom upholstery in green and black leather with pristine stitching. Under the hood, a rebuilt V8 that purrs like it's brand new. This Nomad went from forgotten to unforgettable, from abandoned to alive. That's what restoration really means, giving something a second chance. A rebirth, a second life. It would be this perfect.